Status.
Bodyguard.
Commander.
Rico.
Mission.
Mission. We're going to war.
Welcome to the Toys of War, a concise review of some of the modern trends in military research, military hardware, and the latest developments in military industry.
The IdZ-ES VJTF 2023 is an advanced soldier system developed by Rheinmetall for the German Bundeswehr's Very High Readiness Joint Task Force. It enhances infantry operations through improved communication, situational awareness, and combat effectiveness. Recently, Rheinmetall Electronics secured a €50 million contract for further modernization, ensuring the system remains at the cutting edge of battlefield technology. The system includes a helmet-mounted display, providing real-time battlefield data, maps, and orders directly in the soldier's line of sight. A central operation and control unit, such as the CEO-tronics CT Multi-PTT-3C, allows intuitive control over communications and system functions. These elements enhance efficiency and coordination during missions. Advanced communication systems, including secure radios and data links, ensure seamless connectivity between units and command structures. To support prolonged missions, the system features an optimized power supply, allowing soldiers to operate electronic devices without interruptions. Protective gear and ergonomic load-bearing equipment provide enhanced safety and mobility. The modernization efforts under the new contract will further integrate IdZ-ES into Germany's digitized land-based operations (DLBO) program, enhancing network-centric warfare capabilities. Planned upgrades include improved sensors, software updates, and enhanced power management solutions, ensuring that German infantry remains highly effective on the modern battlefield. The U.S. Navy has successfully tested a cutting-edge directed energy weapon aboard the USS Preble. The high-energy laser with integrated optical dazzler and surveillance, Helios, system effectively engaged and neutralized an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, during a recent test, showcasing its ability to counter drone threats with precision and efficiency. Helios is a 60-kilowatt class solid-state laser that is directly integrated with the ship's Aegis combat system. This seamless integration allows Helios to engage targets using the ship's existing tracking and targeting infrastructure. By leveraging high-energy laser technology, the system provides a cost-effective and virtually unlimited magazine for defensive operations. Beyond its ability to destroy UAVs, Helios also features an optical dazzler designed to disrupt adversaries' intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) operations. This non-lethal capability can blind or interfere with the sensors of enemy aircraft and drones, reducing their effectiveness in gathering critical battlefield intelligence. The successful test aboard USS Preble marks a significant milestone in the Navy's efforts to enhance shipboard defense systems. Directed energy weapons like Helios offer a promising solution for countering emerging threats such as drones and small boats, while reducing reliance on traditional kinetic weapons. The system's ability to provide continuous fire without the need for conventional ammunition makes it a game changer in naval warfare. As the U.S. Navy continues to refine and expand the use of directed energy weapons, Helios represents a major step toward a future where lasers play a central role in maritime defense. With further testing and deployment, systems like Helios will bolster fleet protection and ensure continued naval superiority in an evolving combat environment. Whether you believe it or not, there is a technology available today that is very reminiscent of the one shown in Angel Has Fallen movie with Gerard Butler and Morgan Freeman. The PS Killer, PSK, developed by U.S. defense startup Down, is a football-sized drone designed for high-precision strikes. This lightweight, autonomous drone offers a compact yet highly lethal alternative to traditional guided munitions, with advanced swarm capability that allows multiple units to coordinate attacks on multiple targets simultaneously. PSK operates using an AI-driven targeting system, enabling it to track and engage moving targets with pinpoint accuracy. Equipped with high-resolution electro-optical and infrared sensors, it can function in various lighting and weather conditions. Its guidance system allows for both autonomous and operator-assisted targeting, making it highly effective in complex battlefield environments. Powered by a microjet propulsion system, the PSK can reach speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour, minimizing enemy reaction time. It carries a small but highly efficient shaped charge warhead, designed to penetrate armored vehicles and fortified structures. The drone's swarm capability allows units to work together, overwhelming enemy defenses and neutralizing threats more efficiently than conventional single-target munitions. Down designed the PSK with portability in mind. A single soldier can carry multiple units in a backpack, allowing for rapid deployment in the field. Unlike traditional UAVs, which require extensive setup, the PSK can be launched within seconds and engage targets almost instantly. This quick-strike capability, combined with its intelligent swarm technology, makes it a game-changer for modern urban and asymmetric warfare. The U.S. Army is transitioning to the XM7 rifle to enhance firepower, accuracy, and penetration against modern threats. The 5.56mm round used in the M4 carbine is increasingly seen as insufficient against advanced body armor, prompting the switch to 6.8 by 51mm, .277 Fury. This new caliber offers greater range, stopping power, and effectiveness in both urban and long-range engagements, making it a crucial step in modernizing infantry units. The XM7, developed by SIG Sauer, was selected in April 2022 under the Next Generation Squad Weapon (NGSW) program. SIG Sauer, known for producing high-quality firearms, also supplies the XM250 automatic rifle, designed to replace the M249 SAW. The company's innovative hybrid cartridge technology enables higher pressure rounds, resulting in increased muzzle velocity and improved ballistics over existing rifle systems. Key specifications of the XM7 include a 6.8mm caliber, short-stroke gas piston system, 13-inch barrel, and a 20-round magazine. The rifle is equipped with the XM157 fire control system, which features computerized reticles, laser rangefinders, and ballistic calculators for improved targeting. Though heavier than the M4, 9.84 pounds, the rifle's superior performance justifies the added weight. Early feedback from Army shooters has been largely positive, highlighting the rifle's increased lethality, improved accuracy, and better range performance. However, some concerns remain regarding its weight and recoil compared to the M4. Despite these factors, the XM7 is expected to provide significant battlefield advantages, with full deployment anticipated by 2025.
If you find information in this video interesting, please like and subscribe.